Hey guys, okay, so I wanted to share what the new plan is going forward. I've been thinking all week about the best way to organize our information, and I've decided to do it with like a slideshow where every day I just update it and it's like a running document so we can constantly see what we've done and what we need to do. And that way, if you get a day or two behind, it's easy to get caught up. If you were on the Zoom this morning, you know that I tried to do it with Microsoft and PowerPoint, and hopefully none of your parents work for Microsoft because I am done with them right now. We're going to do this, but it doesn't really affect you. So you can see right here, oops, sorry, I have this like most recent post and it's just kind of like, hey, things are going well. Here's the new plan. And so if you click on this link, I'm like logged out. You can see I am not in Google, so you don't have to be logged into like your Gmail or anything to do this. But if you click on this link, it's going to take you to the PowerPoint that I'm asking you to kind of use as your basic, like, where do I get my information for the class from? So you can see I went back and I did like Mondays. So if you didn't do Monday's assignments, they're right here. You have the links right here. You have a video that shows you how to submit Edmodo assignments. So if you're still having trouble with that, check that video out. These are the resources that went with your before reading activity. So it just makes it a little easier. Everything's all in one place. If you did Tuesday, you can see it tells you what your reading was, what your assignments were. Again, you click it, it tells you have to download it. This was like kind of the directions for the character map and then how to upload it to Edmodo. All of that's in this video, so you can watch this video straight from here. See, it'll just pull right up, okay? And like if you click here, it takes you straight to the document and you should be able to edit it in there. Okay, so that was Tuesday, and then we had Wednesday. On Wednesday, you read Act 1, Scene 1 and 2. You answered the questions. So if you were to click here, it takes you right to the questions. Now, I think one of the things I'm asking you to do that is maybe like the most confusing is that you're submitting to Edmodo as well. So you like answer all of these questions, but then if you watch this video, if you fast forward to 2:45, it talks about how to submit online. So you go to Edmodo and you click the assignment. Oops. The student hasn't done any assignments because they are pretend. Okay. You click the assignment, you click open assignment, and then you just, it says create, so you can do like a text response, hi, and then you can turn in. The reason I'm asking you to do that is because it helps you and I to keep track of what assignments you've done. Because we're not entering anything into Synergy right now, when we get back, it might be confusing if everything's not in one place. So I want you to continue to just kind of be like, okay, check, done, turn in assignment. Okay, and then you turn in, and that's it. So coming back to the PowerPoint, when you were reading No Fear, I have these read aloud videos attached. This actually like reads the play to you, and it's the No Fear version, and you can read along. And what I like about it is it uses different character voices, so you can easily keep up with who's talking, and it just helps you understand it a little bit better. Oops, random extra slide, just ignore that. Here we have some links that you can click on for Act 1 and 2. These are optional. You don't need to check these out right now. And then Thursday, so we're to today, it tells you everything you're supposed to do. Here's your link for your questions. It says when you've completed, follow directions to submit. It tells you how to do that. It says you're going to do your Edmodo, or sorry, your Flipgrid. So right here, you can just click on the link and it takes you right to Flipgrid. Now, if you're on a phone, you're going to have to copy and paste this code into the app because if you click the link, it'll do something weird. Okay. And it tells you right here what you're supposed to talk about. That's also in the Flipgrid. Yeah. Okay. And then you have your read aloud for Act 1, Scene 3 again, and then some optional videos. You can check out the summary and analysis of Romeo and Juliet. And so I'll continue to update this. So like later today or in the morning, I'll put Friday's activities on it, and it'll just keep updating. And so you can even like bookmark this. done, and then you can come here every day and see what our activities are. Now we are still going to be using Edmodo because that's where we're going to submit. We also might have some like chats and things like that, so you're still going to want to log into Edmodo. The PowerPoint is just an easy way to organize our checklist basically for each day and to give you those links rather than this like random kind of like random wall post thing. Okay, so I hope that that helps. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll probably schedule another Zoom in the next few school days so that we can check in. It was kind of fun just to see everybody's faces. And then also it's a good opportunity to ask questions. Okay, keep in touch. Thanks.